Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of hair and makeup with some essential tips that every woman and girl needs to know. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday look, we've got you covered.
Before we dive into the fun part, makeup, let's talk about prepping your skin. Start with a clean canvas by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. Next, apply a hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin smooth and supple. And don't forget the primer. It's the secret to long-lasting, flawless makeup.
When it comes to foundation, less is more. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone and blend it evenly across your face. For those pesky dark circles or blemishes, a little concealer goes a long way. Remember to blend well to avoid any harsh lines.
Now onto the eyes, the windows to your soul. Start with a neutral eyeshadow base, then build up the color in the crease for added depth. A classic winged eyeliner adds a touch of drama, and don't forget to finish with a few coats of mascara for those voluminous lashes. Eyebrows frame your face, so give them the attention they deserve. Use a brow pencil to fill in any sparse areas, following the natural shape of your brows. Set them with a brow gel to keep everything in place throughout the day. A bold lip can instantly elevate your look. Choose a lipstick color that complements your outfit and skin tone. Whether it's a classic red, a trendy nude, or a fun pop of pink. For an extra touch of glam, add a layer of gloss on top.
Now let's talk hair. Loose waves are perfect for a casual day out. Just use a curling iron to create soft, beachy waves. For a more polished look, try a sleek ponytail or a chic updo. And remember, a little hairspray goes a long way in keeping everything in place.
For the younger beauties out there, we've got some quick and easy hairstyles. Braids are always a winner. Try a simple side braid or a pair of cute pigtails. A half-up hairstyle is also a great option for a look that's both fun and stylish.
With your hair and makeup done, all that's left is to add those final touches. A spritz of your favorite perfume, a quick check in the mirror, and you're ready to take on the world. Remember, the best accessory you can wear is confidence. Thanks for glamming up with us today. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty hacks and style inspiration. Until next time, stay beautiful.